The basics of VLSM, or variable length subnet masks, works like this. 1. Subnets do not have to be equal sizes, as long as their address ranges do not overlap. So we can create unequal sized subnets. They do not all have to be the same size. 2. When creating subnets, it is easier to work from larger to smaller subnets. So for example, I have the 192.168.1.0/24 network. I subnet the network into 4 subnets /26 subnet masks, so the subnets go up by 64. I now have 4 equal-sized subnets. With VLSM, or variable length subnet masks, I can decide that I want to change one of these subnets and further subdivide them into smaller subnets, as long as the address spaces that I create, or the subnets that I create, do not intrude into the other subnets. For instance, I could take this 192.168.1.192 subnet. The address range for this subnet goes from 192 all the way up to 255. What I can do is I can say, instead of having this subnet /26, what if I take that address space and divide it into 2 smaller subnets size /27 each. If I do this, I effectively have created 5 subnets. The 3 subnets up here are 64 hosts each, and the 2 new subnets that I created from the 4th subnet are 32 hosts each. The reason I can do this is because my 2 smaller subnets do not intrude into the larger subnets. This is variable length subnet masks. In this situation, it has also allowed me to create 5 subnets, thus escaping the equal-sized subnet limitation of creating subnets in powers of 2. This gives me greater flexibility and allows me to create subnets of different sizes based on the requirements of my network.